Hey guys, so today in this video, I'll tell you how to add Amazon affiliate links on your YouTube. So without much ado, let's get straight to the video. The first thing that you need to do is you have to open Google Chrome or Safari and write Amazon in the search bar. Once when you're here, you have to write of a product, you have to search a product. I'm just giving you an example that if the owner of this product has allowed affiliate marketing on its product, and if Amazon has allowed you to do affiliate marketing, yes, for Amazon to allow you to do affiliate marketing, you need to create an account on Amazon Associate SiteStripe. This is another video. I'll make another video of it in the future, but it's pretty easy. You need to just type Amazon Associates on Google, and then you have to sign up and you have to write your address, give the link of your website, and then you're good to go. So once when you make an account here, then Amazon will allow you to do affiliate marketing. So once when you do it, you will get this bar above and you have to click here. And once when you click here, you will get this option. I would prefer short link over full link, because if you want to use it on your social media, you should go for short links and you have to copy it. And then you have to open your YouTube. And once when you're here on your YouTube, you have to open your YouTube studio. And once when you open your YouTube studio, you need to put this affiliate link in one of your videos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a video. So once when I've opened up this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the link of the affiliate product right here. For example, I'm writing affiliate product link here. And then I'm gonna save it. So after that, it is going to be displayed on my YouTube video. So I hope this video was helpful. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.